Hello everyone, today is the video about how to make a ghee from a regular salted butter. Here I have used Irish creamy butter from Dunn store. It is a salted butter. So we'll take around 454 grams of butter and we'll melt it in a saucepan for few minutes. So this process might take around 20 to 25 minutes. So we need to be a bit calm and patient, and this process goes in a very low flame, and never turn on your flame to a very high so that it get burnt and it might spill off as well if you increase the flame. So let it be within medium to low flame. Whenever you are making ghee, make sure that the butter is at the room temperature so that the process goes on faster and it doesn't take a long period of the time. Here, while I was making the video of making ghee, the butter which I used was very cold, so that it took me a bit longer period of the time. Now the butter has melted completely and you can see the foam coming over at the top. Always use heavy bottom saucepan or thick vessels while making ghee so that it doesn't get burnt. Especially on the induction cooktop, it is necessary to use a thick bottom saucepan. After 20 to 25 minutes, the foamy bubbles goes off, and then later on you can see the large clear bubbles coming on the top, as you can see in this video. So at this point, this means that the milk solids has started to settle at the bottom, and at this moment you need to stir it and make sure to look and check it that the flame is at low. Here, when you see the large bubbles coming out, you can add the betel leaf or a few curry leaves or a few fenugreek seeds so that it gives a good smell to the ghee, and stir it well for 5 to 10 minutes at the low flame. Now all the milk solids has settled at the bottom. Now I have switched off the flame and I'm allowing it to cool down for around 1 to 2 hours. And after cooling it, and I'm storing it in a clean glass jar by filtering it. And here our ghee is ready. Thank you for watching our video.